Jaypee University of Engineering and Technology, or JUET GUNA, was established in 2003 with a vision of creating a center of excellence. Recognized by the UGC and awarded an A+ grade by NAAC in 2023, JUET is a hub for innovation, research, and skill development. This comprehensive 4-week training program is designed to equip industry professionals, designers, and engineers with advanced skills in computer-aided design and additive manufacturing. Key objectives include mastering basic and advanced CAD modeling techniques, gaining proficiency with 3D printing technologies and materials, and developing skills to design and manufacture complex parts. You will learn to create complex 3D models using industry-standard CAD software like SolidWorks and Fusion 360. You will gain the ability to design and fabricate functional parts and prototypes using various 3D printing technologies. This will allow you to apply theoretical knowledge and practical skills to solve real-world engineering projects. The Department of Mechanical Engineering boasts advanced infrastructure to support high-end training. Available CAD software includes SolidWorks, Pro, Engineer, Fusion 360, and Abacus. Additive manufacturing facilities feature the EOS INTP 395, a Z Printer 450, and various FDM printers.